I done walked through the rain, I done felt all the pain, I done walked through the rain, and this shit ain't gon' change.
Cornmeal, these niggas sound crazy.
Ayy, a lot of shit done changed, and all you niggas talking crazy like I can't get hit with this flame. I love my gang so much that I never fucking changed. Growing up playing ball, now everything done changed. I was dead broke, so I heads up, so I hit a stain. If you ain't GG, then step in your lane. You play, boy, that shit wisely, you in the past. For these bitches, I'm trying to get it back, and I'ma live it every day like it's my life. Ayy, and my nigga on the run, and he always keep his gun, and it's for long. Fuck a nigga like trying to punt, and I'm ready for whatever, so don't try to pull a stunt. I swear to God, ayy, and all my niggas, yeah, they swiping cards, doing hella fraud. Fuck nigga, and fuck your broad. I don't give a fuck, yeah, I'll pull your card. Fuck nigga, GG shit, man, ayy. I was walking through the rain, I was all the pain, I done felt all the pain.
Hey, I was walking through the rain, had a big 30 bitch, yeah, I had that fucking thing. If your ass wanna play, I'll let that bitch hang. I'll blow this whole 30 at your motherfucking brain. It was free drop, but now a nigga dog fucking out. If your ass wanna play, he'll punch you in your snot. He'll box a nigga ass and punch a nigga in his mouth. Yeah, Curry fucking out, he got a 30 fucking out. He'll make a nigga lean, drop a nigga with a bean. Got the chop on this bitch and he'll make a nigga sing. And all you op niggas, y'all some bitches. I swear to God, all you op niggas is some snitches. I got a big clip, yeah, this bitch it hold a ditch. And I'ma shoot this bitch, I ain't gon' miss, I'm on my pivot. I asked a little while, my niggas, they had to die. I swear to God, I wanna go fly up in the sky.
I asked a lot, my niggas, they had to die, ayy. And all my niggas, they flying up in the sky, ayy. And we gon' bend they fucking block, and we gon' trim this top. Boy, I swear to God, we going to the top. And I swear to God, this shit won't never stop. I swear to God, this shit won't never stop.